बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अलवीपीडिया में खुश आमदीद। जनरल नॉलेज पार्ट 3 मोस्ट रिपीटेड MCQs। कामरान्स बारादरी इन लाहौर नेम्ड आफ्टर। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है हुमायूं's ब्रदर। Kamran's baradari in Lahore. Kamran Mirza was the first Mughal governor of Lahore. He was son of first Mughal Emperor Babur and brother of the second Mughal Emperor Humayun. Kamran's baradari was built in 1540 by Mirza Kamran, and the building is believed to be the oldest existing Mughal structure in Lahore. Which one of the following sultans established diplomatic relations with China? Correct option है Jalaluddin Khilji. Jalaluddin Feroz Khilji was the first sultan of Khilji dynasty, ruled for 6 years from 1290 to 1296 और खिलजी डायनेस्टी जो है इसने दिल्ली सल्तनत पर 1290 टू 1320 तक जो है वो रूल किया। जलालुद्दीन खिलजी established diplomatic relations with China. Jalaluddin was slain, उसका मर्डर हुआ by his nephew Ali Gurshab, who became Alauddin Khilji and ascended the throne. The term fourth estate refers to, correct option है press. The fourth estate, a class or order regarded as forming part of body politic, in particular in Britain, one of the three groups constituting parliament. First estate, the clergy, religious peoples especially church से जो belong करते थे. The second state, the nobility, जो aristocracy से relate करते थे. And the third state, the commoners. The media was first called the Fourth Estate in 1821 by Edmund Burke, who wanted to point out the power of the press. Lotus dispute arose between Turkey and France in, correct option है 1926. आइए देखते हैं कि लोटस डिस्प्यूट क्या था। A friendship named Lotus was going to Constantinople. On the same day, a Turkish ship named Bozkurt was passing through the open seas और ये 1926 2 अगस्त को a massive collision took place between these vessels. The Lotus case concerns the criminal trial between France and Turkey और ये बड़ा important case है. The case was accepted and decision was made by the Permanent Court of International Justice on 7 September 1927. Who introduced the principle of the Doctrine of Lapse? Correct option है Dalhousie. The Doctrine of Lapse was introduced by Lord Dalhousie. According to this doctrine, if any Indian ruler dies without leaving a male heir, his kingdom would automatically pass over to the British. The world's busiest inland waterway is, correct option है St. Lawrence. The St. Lawrence Seaway is a system of locks, canals and channels in Canada and United States that serves as the most significant industrial areas of United States of America as well as of Canada. How much of Earth's surface is covered with forests? Correct option है 30%. The most important reason for dwindling forest resource today is, correct option है overfelling. Dwindling forests ऐसी situation है जिसमें percentage of land that is covered by forest progressively becomes smaller और इसकी reason जो है दरख्तों का कटाव है. Felling is the process of cutting down trees an element of the task of logging. The countries separated by the McMahon Line are, correct option है चाइना एंड इंडिया। ये मैप में आपके सामने जो है वो मैकमोहन लाइन है, जो एक बाउंड्री लाइन है चाइना और इंडिया के बिटवीन। ये शिमला कॉन्फ्रेंस जो हेल्ड हुई 1913 और 1914 में, उसके नतीजे में बनाई गई, एंड दिस वाज नेम्ड फॉर द ब्रिटिश नेगोशिएटर सर हेनरी मैकमोहन। The time element in price analysis was introduced by, correct option है अल्फ्रेड मार्शल। टाइम एलिमेंट का कंसेप्ट अल्फ्रेड मार्शल ने पेश किया with respect to price discrimination. He said that demand and supply and the price, all these factors should be managed by the seller perfectly on time to earn huge profits.